Hello children, welcome to the VBPS e-learning channel. Children, I think you all remember that from last 3 days we are studying about lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands. Clear? In which we have studied, see the map children, we have studied about eastern and western coastal plains. Clear? It starts from Gulf of Kutch and it continues here from Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands, then Kanyakumari. Moving towards next, we are moving here till West Bengal. Clear? Towards east. From west we have started from Gulf of Kutch and towards east it continues till West Bengal. In which children you have seen that western coastal plains is divided into 3 parts and eastern coastal plains is divided into 2 parts. In western coastal plain, as I told you, 3 parts are there: Gujarat coast, then in middle Konkan coast, then towards south it is Malabar coast. And in eastern coastal plain it has got 2 parts. Towards its north it is Northern Sirkaz and towards south it is Coromandel coast. Clear? Then children, we have studied about western and eastern coastal plains and the states lies in between it. We have studied about the islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Then we have studied about life in the eastern coastal plain. The states are West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Then more states are there, that is Puducherry, it is a union territory, then Kanyakumari. Then we have studied about life in the western coastal plain, Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra. Till here I have explained you yesterday. I hope you all have understood it well. Now moving towards end, we have now the state Karnataka. The coastal areas of Karnataka are divided between the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Clear? Coastal areas of Karnataka are divided into 2 parts. Some part is there in Konkan coast and some in Malabar coast. Bangalore, the garden city, is the capital. Bangalore is also known as children garden city, and you know very well that Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Farming is their main occupation. Farmers, they grow sugarcane, cotton, groundnut. Groundnut means moongfali. Jowar, rice and coffee are grown here. People are employed in industries producing machine tools, telephones, watches and aircraft. That means this is the other occupation of the people living over there. They are working in industries, like they are making machine tools of the machines. Then they are making telephones and watches and also the aircraft. Clear? People of Karnataka, they speak Kannada. They wear dhoti and kurta. Women of Karnataka, they wear sari and blouse. Staple food means the favorite food of Karnataka is rice, dal, idli, dosa, ragi and hittu. Clear? This is their favorite dishes. Dashera and Ugadi are their main festivals. Children, you have studied in last chapters that Kolar gold mines are located in Karnataka and it is very famous. Clear? Now moving towards next state, we have Goa. Goa is a land of beaches. Clear? Goa is known for beaches only. Marmagao is the biggest port of Goa, in which port means where loading and unloading of ships is done. Port means where loading and unloading of ships is done. Farmers, they grow crops like coconuts and cashew nuts, rice, black pepper, kali mirch, mangoes and bananas. Fruits are also grown. Most of the people here are Christians. In Goa, most of the people living over there, they follow Christianity and they wear western dresses, western clothes. The fishermen mostly belong to Konkan and wear Konkan coast. The fishermen living over here mostly belong to Konkan coast and they wear shirt and short dhoti. Women wear Maharashtrian sari. Clear? Fishing is their main occupation. People of Goa, they speak Konkani and English. Mando is a popular festive dance. Children, Mando is a name of the dance that they usually perform in festivals. The Carnival, which is a 3-day festival, is a mix of Eastern and Western culture. Here, the Carnival is celebrated for 3 days, and it is a mixture of Eastern and Western culture. Means the culture is totally different. Panaji is the capital of here. Famous church is Basilica of Bom Jesus. Is the famous church in Goa. It holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier. Means this church has got the remains of Saint Francis Xavier. Another famous church of Goa is the Church of Saint Francis of Assisi. That means two famous churches are here. One is Basilica of Bom Jesus and the second is Saint Francis of Assisi. Clear? Now, moving towards last, we have Lakshadweep Islands. Clear? We have studied about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now we are going to study about Lakshadweep Islands. Very few people live in these 36 islands. Clear? Means very less islands are inhabited. Lakshadweep Islands are off the coast in Kerala in the Arabian Sea. Fishing and growing coconut are the main occupations. People living in Lakshadweep Islands, the main occupation is fishing and growing coconut because it is near Kerala. Right now they told you na Lakshadweep Islands is near Kerala. That is why coconut and fishing is their main occupation. Some of them are also engaged in making coir items. Coir item means people of Lakshadweep Islands, they also make items from their hands. They knit the items. The lifestyle of people on these islands is the same as that of Keralites. Because Lakshadweep is near to Kerala, that is why the way of living is same that of Keralan people. This group of island is surrounded by coral reefs and lagoons. Children, coral, as I told you, is the name of the animal which after dead it becomes hard. See, I'll tell you show you the meaning. Hard coral, hard colorful substance formed from the skeleton remains of tiny sea creatures. समुद्र में रहने वाला एक जीव होता है जिसकी हड्डियों से ये हार्ड सब्सटेंस बनता है and because of which these islands are made. And lagoons, that is salt water lakes. Tourists flock to Lakshadweep to enjoy its sun-drenched beaches and the beauty of the lagoons. People, they go to visit Lakshadweep Islands to enjoy its beaches and the beauty of the lagoons. See, children, coral reefs. See, it is a hard substance. See, these are the coral reefs. It becomes hard. When it died, it becomes hard and it get deposited on the bottom of the surface. Clear? This is the Basilica of Bom Jesus, famous church of Goa. And the second famous church of Goa is Church of Saint Francis of Assisi. I hope, children, you all have understood this chapter as I have completed this chapter, and from tomorrow I am going to give the exercises. Clear? Thank you, children. Stay at home, stay safe and keep yourself healthy. Thank you.